Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit. Now we are at the Getting Started page, which introduces the breadboard that comes with the kit and the parts. So this is the picture of the breadboard that comes with the kit, and here is the actual breadboard, and it has a CPU chip placed already. You don't need to remove it, and then it also has a buzzer placed on the breadboard for your convenience. And then we have a slide switch here, and then you need to get 3 AA batteries and place them like this. Before you can begin working with these projects. Perfect, let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.